All right, I've got everything out of the way, and I sincerely believe that this Bendix gear is occasionally coming out and engaging the engine, and that's what caused that whining sound and why the engine stalled. It dragged it down. See it moving? And it shouldn't. See, now it's not moving. There, now it's moving. Now it's not moving. Something's grabbing all by itself. And that's nice and free. And I can't make it not do that. I'll give it a spin with the button, yonder button. You see it move it? Now let's see what happens when I turn it by hand. Nope, not that time. I think if we're going to keep fooling with this bike, we've got to at least pull the starter motor off, if not this whole starter clutch assembly, because I think it's engaging by itself and dragging the motor down and causing it to stall when we're sitting there idling.